Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sound for notification on your desktop PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off sound for notification on your desktop PC or laptop, so it is easy. First click on Start, after click on Settings. Now click on System, and here left panel option Notification and Actions. So click it. After click on Setting, and here option play sound when a notification activates. So if you want to turn off specialized toggle off position, that is, and if you want to on specialized toggle on position, that is. So guys, this is very simple. This is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off sound for notification on your desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.